A few days back, the netizens were amazed when the images of a smiling sun went viral on social media. Now, the sun has posed for yet another funky image recently. The European Space Agency has now pointed out a solar snake seen by the Solar Orbiter spacecraft. A video shows the solar snake in action as a sinuous streak makes its way across the sun's surface, starting near a bright spot on the lower right side of the star. This intriguing event has never been seen before. The snake was spotted on September 5, 2022 as the Solar Orbiter spacecraft was approaching the sun for a close pass that took place on October 12th. The snake is a tube of cool plasma suspended by the magnetic fields in the hotter surrounding plasma of the sun's atmosphere. What makes the event more interesting is that it is a precursor to a much larger eruption from the sun. It began from a solar active region, ejecting billions of tons of plasma into space. Astronomers are speculating that the snake was a sort of precursor to this event, and Solar Orbiter caught it all in numerous instruments. It took the snake 3 hours to slither across the solar surface at a breakneck speed of about 170 kilometers per second, and the whole footage captured is a time lapse. The European Space Agency said that the snake is a tube of cool plasma suspended by magnetic fields in the hottest surrounding plasma of the sun's atmosphere, and the plasma in the snake is following a particularly long filament of the sun's magnetic field that is reaching from one side of the sun to another. Astronomers are hopeful that the event will allow a better understanding to be developed of solar activity and the way it creates space weather, which can disrupt satellites and other technology on the Earth. For the spacecraft's energetic particle detector, the eruption was one of the most intense solar energetic particle events detected so far by the instrument. It's a really nice combination of data sets that we only get from Solar Orbiter, said David. Solar Orbiter is a space mission of international collaboration between ESA and NASA, operated by the ESA. It launched on February 9, 2020 and celebrated its 1000th day in space earlier this month.